Hello and welcome to another video by me, Zayford Beeblebronx, aka the British Tech Guru. Today I want to talk to you about the ATTiny88. It's a little tiny CPU, well, little tiny microprocessor. I bought 3 on eBay and I had a devil of a job with them. This is the packet. There we go. And if I open the packet, I get out, let's see, a load of headers that I'll totally ignore. But that is the ATTiny88. Okay. So, as I said, I had a devil of a job with it because it was sold as being Arduino Nano compatible. It's not. Absolutely not. The standard Arduino IDE will not accept it. So I hunted around the internet and I hunted and I hunted and I didn't find anything. Well, in the end, I said, okay, time is passing. I need to get this working because I want to work on my solar tracker. Well, that still hasn't happened yet. But today, I found out how to make the thing work. And it's not straightforward. The description of the links are all down below, and you'll have to read them in the description. And basically, the only way to get this running is with a library from GitHub. So you'd better download that and get it onto your IDE before it disappears. As a $2 item, I have seen these for 75 cents, but as a $2 item, they're pretty good if you want to do disposable projects. Now, if you want to have something out in the backyard, they're absolutely phenomenal because, you know, $2, if it gets trashed, it's $2. Whereas if you get something like an Adafruit Metro, and that's $30 odd, that's a bit different. And, you know, admittedly, $30 might be not a lot to some people, but to others that are just scraping by, even $2 is quite a bit. Now, I have actually seen these ATTiny88s going for about 75 cents on AliExpress, but you had to buy a lot of them. And you know, if you've got the IDE configured and working, yeah, it's worthwhile. But this is not going to work just like an Arduino Nano, and it's selling itself as an Arduino Nano, and it's not. So anyway, I got this one working today for the first time ever. I used the little blinky program, had the red LED flashing at 1 Hertz, and I was quite happy with that. So be careful with your eBay purchases, and this, as I said, cost me $2 an odd and took about 3 or 4 weeks to come from China. And yeah, I wanted to work on it faster than that. I wanted to work on it over the Easter break, but that never happened. So instead I built a shed and investigated the brake lines under my bus. All good stuff that all still needed to be done, but I wanted to work on the electronics. And it would have been helpful if I'd found how to do this yesterday morning, because all day yesterday it poured with rain and I couldn't really do anything. But this has been Zayford Beeblebronx with another British Tech Guru episode on the Arduino, on the ATTiny88.